So since I was switching the ECU over to tuned one, you know, I gotta change the spring in my Ford motorsport blow-off valve. So stock can handle the green, and it's 5 pounds to 15 pounds, and then let's say the yellow one is about 15 to 23 pounds, somewhere around there. So I'm gonna have to change the spring out. So since changing the spring out, I was like, well, I might as well re-grease the piston. So it's like I got the piston off. It was easy. It wasn't opening fully, so it was a little easier to grab. Then here's the base of it. So when it doesn't fully open, or I mean, yeah, it was having problems opening up all the way, and when you go to turn the car off, you hear a little click after a few seconds of the car being off, and that's the valve opening all the way. So it kind of was sticking shut, so the holes weren't fully open. So luckily I was able to grab the piston with my pliers over there. So I'm gonna re-grease it. I got the Lucas red and tacky grease. I figured that's what it looked like, so I was like, might as well get some. Applying a fresh layer. Don't want to go too much on it because it'll just shoot out the holes. Along with the air when it's open. I guess I'll just do that. Okay, now I just push the piston down, then take the upper half with the hose on it, and back up. Oh yeah, better put the fucking spring in too. Fucking idiot. Oh yeah, definitely stronger. Still a million degrees in Arizona, by the way. Fucking sweating in my garage. Alright, and the O-rings still look pretty good. The inside O-rings look good too. Now the fun part, putting the fucking screws back into it.